Good day, Mansasinians. For today's content, we will having an interview with some of our students here at Mandawi City College to hear about their experience and perception during Halloween. So what are you waiting for? Mag-experience sharing na tayo. Good afternoon, Miss.
Good afternoon.
What is your name and from which department?
Yes, I'm James Pipito from BS Ed, third year college.
So I am Roseanne Dabukol, fourth year, base BA HRDM.
So I am Tori Franca Luigi. I am from Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, first year.
I am Maricon May Elorza, which is BS Ed English major and School of Education.
Unsay mong baton sa upcoming nga kalag-kalag?
Well, actually, this coming November 1 and 2, I have plans. I actually, a lot of plans. But one thing for most, akong buhaton is to visit my relatives sa kanang menteryohan, no? Because to remember the life nga ilang nahatag na mo before when they're alive. So, mao na, asa na sa mong buhaton, and also go to church, no, to give prayers for those souls that need of prayers.
So I have duty on October 31st, and if I have given a chance and there's still a time, I'm gonna tour to my province on November 1 and celebrate the All Saints Day and All Souls Day.
I really want to do in that day is especially managkot sa Koan Cemetery and also halad sa mga loved ones nga tuwa na sa heaven.
Okay, so during sa kalagkala, ang boto na ko na is moto sa sementeryo, tapos managkot ko, tapos akong pangitaw ng kuwan sa kuwang lola.
What is your scariest experience?
Well, I have a lot of scariest experience. However, if there's one thing that I can share, it was actually kana double ganger. It was my father. Nakuha to sa balay, and then I thought akong papa nasa mong balay, but nakakita ko siyang image at that time. However, wala di akong father ato. So I was scared that time because they believe that when you saw someone nga dili dito siya maunay mahitabo nga bati sa kana nga tao, but luckily wala raman sad noon. But yeah, it was scary for me nga makakita kag someone nga dili day ma.
So far, I don't have a scariest experience, but my scariest moment, not literally a ghost, but the earthquake happens last September 30, I think, yeah. And when my father dies when I was in grade 6, and that's my scariest thing. Like there's a lot of overthinking, like insay mahitabo basig kanang kuan, may magparamdam na ba kanang wala pang ko ka-experience sa mga inana nga kanang butang.
Maybe the most scariest part is when I was alone in my home and accidentally someone like calling my name and ato ko sa ako ang bedroom, which is paglaton ko kay wala. This is a real story. So I figured out nga paman siya tao sa balay kay ako magpapato kay nang lakaw. Yung otong scariest part nako kay abi na ko kinsa dito sa amuan niya. Pag abot na wala day tao sa balay na.
To be honest, naitabo din sa ako kato nagkuyog mi sa kong mga makeup sa mga classmate nato tong kuan siya ghost hunting. However, wala mi na-expect nga mo nitabo sa ako ay sa mua kanang ghost hunting sa cemetery sa Geso. Wala ko nag-expect, taas kay may expectation, pero kuan lang pag sud na mo dito sa kuan ghost hunting mi, yeah, ghost hunting mi, pero ang nakuha na mo, pagsud na mo sa cemetery, which is na-feel na ko nga, murag na may masigig kuwan sa ko, murag na isig hungmong baron or something, but pagsud na mo dito, ako na dyan pinakatalawan sa amo ang group of friends, tapos ka na, bugat kay sa paminaw, tapos wako na sabtan, in short, mura ko dili welcome sa cemetery, maura.
If you ever saw a ghost, what will you do?
I always just pray. No, I always pray every time I saw something nga kana mga ghost or mga dili nga dapat nato makita, no. So I just pray and also kanang give prayers. Ako na sila i-pray from time to time nga hopefully they can makalabang na sila sa laing lugar and makuha na ilahang mga spirits.
Of course, mudagan. Yes, literally a ghost, of course, mudagan. That's my, siguro mamguro na for ang tanang buhaton if makakita juga og kanang ghost. Pero depende, if gwapo ang ghost, kaya makuyog na ko sa ghost. Charot.
Maybe I could, maybe for me, I'm a scary person. Maybe I will run like that. And tell my friends that I see a ghost like this, sir.
Sa ko lang is pasagdaan lang. Pero nadyo ko'y pagka talawan pagka person. Pero ako lang itry akong best nga kanang ako dila ko mahadok-hadlok kay damor mahadok ang tao. Damor sa ang ghost pod mang sa manggara-gara pod. Mora.